Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Gorgeous weather today. The humidity remains low and for the most part some nice conditions over the next several days. After cool weather last week, we'll still have cool nights ahead of us and that dry air cooling off rather steadily through the evening hours, but mostly sunny days, and each one of those will be sunny and pretty warm all the way through the week. And maybe a few clouds here and there, but no significant amount of cloud cover expected, and just a quiet weather pattern out ahead of us. One of the things that you may have noticed, and more on the horizon, obviously there's a lot of smoke plumes out over the western fires, but this was going back to Friday, and all through the weekend the smoke was out to the west, but this little band of it started to stretch across areas of Texas and Oklahoma, but it's high enough in the sky you can actually see it from here. You can see that little band of smoke that's down to the south is looking well southeast out of Junction City. You can see this again from pretty much all areas off in the southern portion of the sky at Mayetta as well. But looking to the northwest from Emporia, sunny. Looking to the northeast across Topeka, sunny as well. Very little in the way of cloud cover left. We had a few clouds this afternoon, but a 79 degree temperature and just a 3-mile-per-hour breeze right now. Made it from 51 to 79. We'll be close to those numbers again tomorrow. It's coming in just a few degrees below average, but nowhere near the cool weather that we had last week. It's currently 78 in West Topeka, 78 degrees downtown, North Topeka at 83. It's 83 at the Konza Prairie, Manhattan Regional at 82, Riley right now at 80 degrees, and Marysville 81, Hiawatha and Holton both at 79. The winds are light and variable. The humidity is low now. Dry air allows us to cool off nicely at night. We'll be dry again tomorrow. Comfortably dry for Tuesday and Wednesday, and still comfortable into Thursday as well. No significant amount of humidity expected. Also not much wind of cloud cover. It's pretty clear across the region. Showers to the south, big ridge across the western U.S. spreading in, allowing us to stay warm but pretty quiet. We mentioned Tropical Storm Sally, 60-mile-per-hour sustained winds, is expected to strengthen to hurricane strength and is headed toward the New Orleans area. Fortunately, it's not a high-end hurricane, but a hurricane nonetheless, moving in toward the Gulf Coast. We'll stay quiet here. Clear sky tonight into tomorrow morning. Heading through the daytime tomorrow, mostly clear, maybe a few thin clouds at times to the south, but no significant amount of cloud cover. We start out in the lower 50s. Climb up into the upper 70s and low 80s tomorrow. So beautiful weather for your Monday and pretty nice for Tuesday as well. 50s in the morning with a high into the lower 80s on Tuesday. So tonight 53 and clear. We'll be back up to a high temperature tomorrow of about 79 and sunny, light east wind, low humidity air, a gorgeous Monday. And that nice weather sticks around. Maybe a few patches of fog in the morning tomorrow, but that will be short-lived as we climb up to 79, then 82 on Tuesday, 85 on Wednesday. We settle back into the upper 70s and low 80s to finish off the week and head into yet another beautiful weekend next weekend with low humidity, sunshine, and highs again into the lower 80s. You may have noticed the morning sky. If you're up early, you could see the moon as well as Venus in the sky there. Beautiful shot there from Brenda Culbertson, the Prairie Band Reservation. Of course, that's out away from the city lights. You can always see the stars in the moon a little better there. And Huff and Puff was going on this weekend. You can see that from Dennis Schwartz in Topeka, as well as Sissy McKenzie. Always nice to have a overhead shot like that on a beautiful Sunday morning this morning. This evening, nice weather as well.